Last time we talked about how to increase video volume using VSDC. Now if you prefer using built-in video editors that comes with Windows, that is Movie Maker and Video Editor, then you can still do it. So just have a quick look at how we can increase video volume, increase or decrease video volume using Movie Maker or Windows Video Editor. So I have my Windows Video Editor opened here. This is a Movie Maker. So what you do, same thing, we're going to add object here, whether it's a video or audio. I'll click on that and then just choose any video like we did. So we're going to just use a similar video like we did last time. Well, let's just use something different. Let's use this here and then click on open. So this takes a bit of a long time to load. So you can listen to this. If you can hear that, you can hear that sound is a little too loud. So in this case, I'm going to need to reduce the volume of this audio or the video. So I'll go to the edit section, then I'll go to the video volume. If I click on this, and there is this section here where I can change the volume of the selected video. I can reduce it to the very end. Now if I play it, the video volume is completely removed, but I don't want that. So I just wanted to reduce it. So just pause that and go back here and click on this and increase it slightly so that it remains as soft as I wanted it to be. And that's still too loud. So you just play around with it until you find what fits best or what suits your needs, what you prefer, you consider as the best volume for the kind of content that you're creating. So that is how Movie Maker does it. Now let's try free Windows video editor. So I'm just going to click on my start button on my PC. I'm doing it on the other extension, the other part of my screen. So this is what I'm opening. So I don't know how long this is going to take to load. Sometime it takes a bit longer because my PC looks kind of overwhelmed at this point because been doing a lot of things. Now I have a number of projects here that have been opened, so I'm just going to choose one already created project. I think you already know how to create videos with Windows Video Editor. So I'll just choose this video here that is around 25 seconds. So this is a video that has already been created with audio in the background. So in this preview section, once this preview finishes to load, then we're going to try preview this and hear the sound. So if I click on this, does it have any sound? I'm not sure if it has any sound. So let's this is, yeah, so you can hear that it's very loud. Yeah. So if I want to increase or decrease the video volume using this editor, I'll go to this custom audio or background music. So depends on what kind of video you've added. So if I go to background music and click on that and look at the volume, so I have not used any background music, but if I wanted to reduce the volume, it's right here. Just drag it to the very end to 0, increase and decrease. So I'm just going to cancel that because I have not used any background music. So custom audio, this is an audio that you add from your PC to use it on your video. So in this, we don't have that portion where you've told music volume, but there is this volume button on the video here. If you click on this, you have the option to adjust the video, the audio volume, increase or decrease, and also add in a few effects. You can say fade in or fade out. And I would prefer that when you're doing this, or it is the best thing, you choose fade in only at the beginning of a video. You want to have a video fading in at the middle, unless you have a type of video that requires that kind of formatting, and then you put fade out at the end of the video. So our main thing here was to increase or decrease the video volume. So you just drag it to the end to 0, increase it So you can preview. If I put it up to this point, maybe there, and try previewing, the volume must be a little bit slower. So it's let's drag it up to where our video is and try that. You notice that that's slightly lower. So if I increase it and try previewing again, yeah, that's too loud. So you are the one to play around with it depending on what you want, or the volume level that you want for your video, for your content. So that's how you do it with the Windows video editors. This is Movie Maker and Windows Free Video Editor. This is another one that can help you create better content for your YouTube videos or any kind of videos, whether you're doing your Instagram TV videos or anything else. So if you find this helpful, give me a like, share it, and click on the subscribe button for more videos coming soon.